In this tutorial, I'll show you how to view the revision history of a Jotform. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, find the form you want to review and click Edit Form to open it in the form builder. Once you're in the editor, look just below the form title for the revision history icon, which appears as a circular arrow. Click it to open the revision history panel. After a few moments, the panel will display a timeline of all saved versions of your form. Each revision includes the date and time it was created, making it easy to track changes over time. Click any revision in the list to preview what changed. Jotform will highlight the differences so you can quickly see which fields, settings, or design elements were added, removed, or updated. If needed, browse through multiple revisions to compare different versions of your form and review its editing history. That's how to view the revision history of a Jotform. Thanks for watching.